Good morning. My name is Madison Schuyler. I am here with Beezy, Caine, Mr. Oreo, and MD Hogg to conduct their CPR training. Shadowing with me is Adonis Alexander and Dr. Vane. The purpose of this training is to simulate responding to CPR calls and assisting injured patients. So to perform CPR, open your backpack next to the store button, locate the red emergency kit with the white star, drag the kit onto the patient, wait until the highlight turns green, and then release it. If the kit does not work immediately, move closer to the patient or walk around the body until the interaction becomes available. The macros for this training you will need are: hello, my name is, to introduce yourself to the patient. Please remain calm so people can clear the area and you can conduct your CPR safely. Begins assessing patient's vital signs to make sure the patient is able to perform CPR on, and applies first aid kit, so once you know the patient is able to perform CPR on, you will use this macro. Please remember to use all four of those macros before performing CPR. Once the patient is up and standing again, you're going to want to go ahead and use the administers medication macro to simulate providing a med kit. Since we are medical staff, we cannot receive actual med kits, so this macro is going to represent returning the patient to full health. Does anybody have any questions?
No.
No.
All right, so I will now use the macros needed to begin and simulate the patient going down. Once Dr. Vane hits the ground, MD, you can begin.
10-4, copy that.
And that will conclude MD Hogg's CPR training. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to Beezy Caine's CPR training. So, do you have any questions, Beezy?
Nope.
Okay, I'm going to throw up the macros that I need to begin and simulate Dr. Vane going down. So once he hits the ground, you can begin. And that will conclude Beezy's CPR training. And lastly, we're going to move over to Mr. Oreo to conduct his CPR training. Mr. Oreo, do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and throw up the macros that I need to begin the training. Once Dr. Vane hits the ground, you may begin. And that will conclude Mr. Oreo's CPR training.
Woo, you guys